Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Leche Flan using an easy oven method. First, let's prepare the caramel. You'll need about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for a standard 7-inch anura. Heat the sugar directly in your mold over low heat until it melts into a rich amber color. Carefully swirl the hot caramel to coat the entire bottom surface of your dish. Set it aside to cool and harden while we prepare the creamy custard mixture. Now let's create the luscious custard. You'll need about 10 to 12 egg yolks for a rich texture. Separate them carefully from the whites. In a large bowl, combine 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk with your separated egg yolks. Whisk these ingredients together very gently. Overmixing can introduce too many air bubbles, which might affect the flan's smooth consistency. Aim for a well-combined, uniform mixture. With your caramel hardened, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the custard mixture over the solid caramel in your anura. To ensure even cooking and a silky texture, we'll use a water bath. Place your anura inside a larger baking pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of your flan mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until a knife inserted comes out clean. Once baked, remove your Leche Flan from the oven and the water bath. Let it cool completely at room temperature for about 1 hour. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the flan to firm up beautifully. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, then carefully invert the anura onto a serving plate. Enjoy your perfectly smooth and creamy homemade Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.